Hey guys, Alice here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 secret websites that are hiring remote workers today. These are the 3 websites no one is talking about. People are making a whole lot of money doing remote jobs. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you these 3 secret websites that can hire you today as a remote worker. If this is something you would like to watch, please consider watching till the end. Do not skip any part because you do not know each of the website that is going to work for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. The number 1 on my list is Slack. Slack is not really a website, it's more or less an app. But what many people do not know is this: there are many Slack groups who are hiring remote workers, okay? I'm going to be sharing with you some of these groups, but the groups I'm going to be sharing, they are just tailored to marketing alone. So if you are not a marketer, I'm going to tell you how you can search for these Slack groups, that you can get remote jobs as soon as possible, okay? Let me ask you that you're a content creator. What you are going to do is for you to bring Slack, then merge it up with your skill. How do I mean? Let me assume that you are a content creator. You are going to search for Slack groups for content creator. I don't know if that makes sense. Slack groups for content creator. Let me take another example that you are a web designer. You are going to search for Slack group for web designers. You get? So the groups I'm going to be sharing with you, they are just tailored to marketing. I've told you the way you can add your skill or add whatever you are doing to the Slack. You can get on this group and start your remote job as soon as possible. The number 1 on my list is top of the funnel. I'm going to be leaving the name right on my screen right now. The number 1 on my list is top of the funnel. The second one is Women in Tech CEO. The third one on my list is Product Lead Growth. And the very last one, which is the 4th one I'm going to be sharing with you on this video, is Super Parts, okay? So if you are not in the marketing niche, I've shared with you earlier on how you can get on board on your niche, okay? So just listen and do exactly as I said. The thing you are going to do is for you to join all these groups, okay? If you join all these groups, you are going to be seeing that this company is actually posting remote jobs on these groups. Let me tell you, there are remote jobs that they post on this group that they can never post anywhere else, even in their website. They post on this group more than they post on their website. So do not sleep on these guys. Just pop on it, join those groups that I mentioned. If you are not in the marketing niche, do exactly as I said and start joining the groups in your niche, okay? So this brings me to the number 2. The number 2 website on my list that is going to give you a remote job today is a place in Substack called No Comment Job. What you are going to do is for you to sign up on their newsletter with just your name and your Gmail account for absolutely free. You are not paying a dime to anybody, alright? Once you have subscribed to their newsletter, they are going to be sending you jobs that are available on a daily basis. Yes, guys, they are going to be sending you jobs on a daily basis that they have. Alright, so once you sign up on their newsletter, you are going to be getting a Gmail from them every single day, sending you opportunities that are available either in your country or not in your country. If you find the job that they sent you interesting and still in your country and the pay is good, why not just follow the due process, submit your CV, and fingers crossed, trust God, and you are going to get the job, okay? This update, no one is going to share it with you. Me and update, see, we are like this, we are 5 and 6, alright? If you have watched this video to this extent and you have not smashed the like button for me, what are you waiting for? Please smash the like button for me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a video like this. So the 3rd secret website on my list is, literally, I saved the best for the last, okay? So if you have watched the video to this extent, congratulations to you. This very last one, it's really not a website or an app. So what you are going to do is for you to go on Google and search for the top review website. Guys, we have so many good review websites. We have like G2, we have Product Hut, and many of them. What you're going to do is this: once you get in on that review website, you are going to be typing the particular company you want to work with. Let's say, for instance, you want to work with the Alquiver company, or you want to work with Alorica. What you have to do, once you hop in on that review website, you are going to type the name of the company you want to work with. Please listen to me carefully. You are going to type the name of the company you want to work with. When you type in the name of the company you want to work with, it will take you to the company's website. All right, once it take you to the company website, please navigate your way, look for where they wrote jobs. All right, once you see it, it's to be specified there if this particular company is hiring or not. Okay, are you getting the gist now? If they are hiring, you have to follow the due process, submit your CV and everything. Please, I want you to take this very, very important. When submitting your resume for these companies, be aware that you are not there physically for them to know you, for them to interview you orally. You get, it's your CV that is telling your employer that, you know what, this candidate really fits this job. So what you have to do is for you to really do a very good resume. Please, I can't stress on this enough, guys. You really need to do a good resume. If you do not know how to do resume, go to people who does resume as a service. You go there, they will render the service for you. They will know how they are going to put this resume together. So when your employer sees this, you'll be like, wow, if I do not employ this person, it's going to be my loss. So that is how good your resume should be. Okay, I know this last one is really the hardest. You are going to put in the work, but the thing is, if you really do this thing diligently and be checking one after the other the companies you want to work with, I tell you, you must see one or two that are hiring. If you meet up with the requirement, I'm promising you, you are going to get that job ASAP. And one thing about remote jobs is you can be anywhere and still do this job. You can be in Nigeria and working for companies that are outside the country. You might be in Nigeria, you might be working for US, Canada, what have you. That is how sweet remote job is. You get, you still be with your family, do those things that you want, and you are still earning. And the beautiful part is you are not earning in Naira or in your local currency. You are going to be earning in dollars. If you are in Nigeria, just like me, you are going to agree with me that 1,500 is now just $1. Imagine you making 200, 500, even $1,000 every month. Do you know how much you are going to be earning when you convert those dollars into Naira? Please, guys, do not sleep on these updates. If I don't give you this update, who go give you? Nobody. Please do not sleep on this, guys. You really do this strategy, you are going to come back and thank me later. Alright? If you have any question that you need to ask, please put it down on the comment section. If you know any secret website again, please share with us. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.